Hi, everybody. Today our lesson is on finding the surface area of triangular prisms. If you look at a triangular prism, it has parts to it. The green shaded area represents the combined area of the rectangles. In other words, when we're finding the surface area, we're finding the combined area of the faces. And on a triangular prism, you see that we have three rectangular faces. The blue shaded area represents the area of the two triangles. This is the area of two bases, the area of the two triangular bases. So the total surface area would be equal to 2 times the area of the triangular base plus rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3. Because a triangle base has 3 sides, all triangular prisms will have 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular bases. When you unfold the prism, you see that you get 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. We're then going to need to find the total surface area. So we'd need to find the area of the 2 triangles plus the area of rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3. Notice that this triangle is a scalene triangle, meaning that all 3 sides have a different measure, so all 3 rectangles will have a different area. After drawing the net, be careful to label each line segment exactly correctly, or you will multiply to get the wrong answers, so be careful to label correctly. To solve, we have to find the area of each face. We'll start by finding the area of the triangles. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Since this is a right triangle, the base and the height are found on the right angle. The base is 4 and the height is 3, and we divide that by 2 to get an area of 6 units squared for each triangle. Next, we'll find the area of the rectangles. Notice that the length going across each of these rectangles is the same. They each have a length of 8 because this is the height of the prism. We'll start by finding the first rectangle has a dimension of 5 times 8 or 40 centimeters squared. The second rectangle has dimensions of 3 times 8 or 24 centimeters squared. And the third rectangle has measure of 4 times 8 or 32 centimeters squared. So if we look at the combined areas of the rectangles, we get 40 plus 24 plus 32 or 96 centimeters squared. This has a special name. The area of the rectangles is called the lateral surface area. So when we're finished and we've written in the areas for each of our faces, we take the combined areas and we see 2 times the area of the triangle is 12 plus the area of the rectangles, which equals 96, and we get a combined area of 108 centimeters squared. The steps for finding the area of a triangular prism include drawing the net, labeling the dimensions carefully, finding the area of the base triangles, finding the area of each rectangle, and then adding together the area of the faces. Label the answer in units squared because area is always found in square units because it is 2 dimensions. That's all. Thank you.